The AIBI Pocket GPT is a personal, portable AI assistant powered by GPT technology. Its features and emotional capabilities are designed to provide an intuitive, human-like interaction for users. AIBI Pocket GPT identifies user emotions through voice tone analysis. It responds with empathy or encouragement when needed. It provides explanations, examples, and tutorials. AIBI Pocket GPT is compact and user-friendly. It is a sleek, handheld device or mobile app. It has a simple voice or text-based interface. It tracks user mood and suggests wellness tips. AIBI Pocket GPT displays a range of virtual emotions to make interactions feel more human-like. It is friendly responses with joyful, calm, or motivational tones. AIBI Pocket GPT has multimodal interaction. It has text, voice, and image processing. It can respond to text-based queries, hold verbal conversations, and analyze images.